Hello, all you lovely people. Welcome back to my channel, Everything Under the Sun. And as you can see, I have received the fab bag for the month of June. I know it's pretty late, but because considering the present situation, it has got delivered really late. But this time they have got a lot of products, and that is why I chose to take the fab bag. I've taken the monthly subscription. I haven't subscribed for a year. So let's quickly see. The first product that I can see is this True Hair Ayurvedic Warm Oil Therapy. So this is the oil, and this is the plug point that they have given. I don't know how you need to use this. I think you need to pour the oil in this and then heat it with the power socket. So it's written reuse after 10 minutes, auto cut off technology. So after 10 minutes it gets auto cut off. So this is how it looks. This is from the brand. This is the new brand that I'll be using. It is called True Hair. So we need to read the instructions that it's given. So pour required quantity of oil into the container. So you need to pour the oil into this container, cover the container with the lid and plug in the device. So basically you need to put the oil inside this and plug into the power socket. Light will turn off once it reaches the suitable temperature. So this is the point where it will show if the oil is heated up. Pour the warm True Hair oil onto your palm. Apply the warm oil to your scalp and massage gently. Fights hair fall, dandruff, premature graying. So this is the new brand that has come up with a different technology of heating the oil. So I'm very impressed with the way they have come up with this. Maybe I can use a parachute oil also. But let me try using this and then I can give you a review on how this is. So this is the first product. And the second product is by Plum. Plum is a very good brand. So I have got two bottles. One is a shower gel and the other is a shower gel as well. So this is Oopsie Daisy and Hawaiian Rumba. So these are the two editions. I think these are the new editions from Plum. And let's see how it is. Okay, so this has a floral fragrance, and this is like Hawaiian fresh fragrance. So that is a reference. It smells really good. Let's see how these products are. Looks the packaging is really cute, very colorful. Let's see how these two editions come up. Okay, that was the second product. It came in a box again. Okay, so this was the second product, and let's get on to the other products that are there in the box. So it couldn't fit in the pouch, so they have given so they have put it outside the box. So this is how the pouch looks. This time it is like due to it's having a rainy theme with all the clouds and droplets, and the pouch is really sturdy. The material is really good and it's quite big. Okay, so the pouch is really good and it's trendy and nice. So this was not the product but the pouch. Okay, so we have some more goodies from Plum. The pouch is really good. It is like a jute bag. So in here I have three products again from Plum. This is the moisturizing hair mask. This is a conditioner and this is a shampoo. So this shampoo is olive and So this is olive and macadamia shampoo, and so this is the first time I'll be using with this combination, something like this. So this is the hair mask followed with conditioner and shampoo. I don't really use conditioner, but let's see, I'll be using it for the first time and giving you reviews on the. Okay, so they have given the 7 free, that is sulfate free, silicone free, paraben free, phthalates, alcohol, zinc, and propylene glycol. So this is basically free from all those radicals, and followed with these are same products, same so this is SLS and paraben free. That is really good. So this is the third product, and it comes in a cute pouch, which is very nice, good looking. Okay, let's get on to this vouchers. Okay, it says if I have to renew, like if I have to subscribe for Fabbag, then I can get 10% off as usual, and a contest. So this is basically the monsoon edition. Let's get on to the. Okay, I missed this. So basically, for the oil to pour in properly into the container, they have given this. So you need to put the oil basically and plug in, and then maybe remove this and pour the rest in your palm and use it. So this is really good. Let's get on to the other products. So this time the bag has really good stuff, like so many cosmetics and body care products. So this is the sugar translucent powder. Okay, so I won't be able to remove this. There's a sticker around this. You need to remove the sticker and start using the translucent powder. You can use it for baking after you're done with your makeup. So this is, I love sugar products because they're very good, skin friendly, and yes, it retails for $5.99, and that's it. This is the other product. And we have a makeup and a lipstick as usual, but this is a mini size, and the color that I have chosen is Brazen Raisin, and this is not a full size product, it is a mini. Show you how it is. It is like a dark red. As you can see, it is totally properly pigmented, and it is like the proper red shade. It's really good. So this is going to be a very nice product. Thanks Fabbag for sending this. And the last product that we have here is okay, so this is a perfume from the brand Darkest Roll On. Okay, so this is a roll-on perfume, and the fragrance they haven't given, and it retails for $4.99. It smells floral. It smells floral. Okay, floral, and it's very refreshing. I'm very happy, and I can't believe Fabbag has sent so many products this time. Like, there are too many products in here. We have hair care. So this monsoon edition is basically to take care of your hair, and this smells really, really good, and it's very fresh, and you can take it, you can carry it along with you wherever you go, in your purse or in your bag, whichever you're carrying. And this time it's really worth buying. I know it's really late, but if you have seen the videos, you would like, you should have gone for the June Fabbag, but still you can go ahead and buy the June Fabbag, and the delivery this time would be really late, so you need to have patience for that. So these were the products, and I'm really, really happy with the products that Fabag has given me, and I just paid $5.99 for all of this, trust me, and I'm really happy. I always show you budget products, so this is it. Thank you for watching my video. Do like, subscribe and share, and also comment in the comment section. Thank you.